A variety of options across diverse interests. If you're looking for ways to earn extra income from the comfort of your own home, you're in luck. There are numerous work-from-home opportunities available in a variety of fields and interests. Here are some options to consider. Room rentals. 1. Utilize spare rooms or basements for rental on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. 2. Generate passive income with minimal effort by carefully managing your listings. Online tutoring. 1. Offer tutoring services in subjects or standardized tests online. 2. Utilize online tutoring websites or social media for advertising. Virtual assisting. 1. Provide administrative support remotely to clients. 2. Opportunities found through social media, networking events, or freelancing websites. Freelance writing. 1. Create content for various purposes such as websites, blogs, or advertisements. 2. Cater to different types of clients with specialized or broad writing services. Transcribing. 1. Convert speech to text with excellent attention to detail. 2. Paid per audio hour, offering flexibility but may require transcription of less interesting topics. Social media management. 1. Manage social media accounts for businesses, engaging with followers and creating content. 2. Proficiency in various social media platforms necessary. Online surveys. 1. Earn extra money by providing feedback through online survey websites. 2. Not highly lucrative but offers flexibility. In-home daycare. 1. Offer childcare services from home, potentially attracting a steady client base. 2. Pricing usually based on a flat daily or weekly rate. Blogging. 1. Monetize personal blogs through advertisements or affiliate marketing. 2. Requires time to build a loyal following but can generate passive income. Dropshipping. 1. Sell products without inventory by forwarding orders to suppliers. 2. Profit from price differences between retail and wholesale. Online courses. 1. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. 2. Content can include text, videos, quizzes, etc., catering to specific skills or expertise. Online photo sales. 1. Sell professional quality photographs to stock photo websites. 2. Provide visuals for marketing materials and earn money. Pet sitting. 1. Offer pet sitting services in your home for pet owners in need. 2. Consider living situation and insurance before offering services. Selling homemade crafts and art. 1. Sell homemade crafts and art on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. 2. Transition to your own website once established. Graphic design. 1. Provide graphic design services to businesses and nonprofits. 2. Showcase skills with a variety of work samples and charge flat or hourly rates. Proofreading. 1. Correct spelling, grammar, and consistency errors in various texts. 2. Market skills through social media or proofreading websites, potentially requiring tests before hiring. In conclusion, there are numerous work-from-home opportunities available for individuals with diverse skills and interests. Whether you're interested in tutoring, graphic design, or running a home-based daycare, there's a work-from-home opportunity that can help you earn extra income. Remember, it's essential to research each opportunity thoroughly, as some may require specialized skills or certifications. With the right approach, you can find the perfect work-from-home opportunity to suit your needs and interests.